The Welding Metal Fabrication Technology program focuses on the design, dismantling, and construction of a wide range of metal projects. Students learn how to control fire and electricity to operate the same advanced welding and fabrication equipment used by professionals.
They're going to walk out of here and be able to safely turn on a machine and operate it, and learn how to operate it in the manner that their employer wants them to operate it in.
Not only do they learn the trade of welding, but the discipline and self-control required in the workplace. Students earn their OSHA safety certification, as well as their American Welding Society certification.
It taught me to be more mentally tough. You know, if I can't pass a weld, I'll just relax, be patient, and just go at it again.
With work-like language, work-like attitude, and work-like experience, welding and metal fabrication students are exposed to the career opportunities that are open to them as soon as they walk out of the Herndon doors.
I want to join the welding program because the opportunity, it's a lot you can do after you finish this program. There's a lot of things you can go into. After this program, I think I want to try millwrights and heavy machining.
We have one of the best facilities in the state and maybe in the country, and so they have the best lab setting they'll ever have. This is the best their welding will ever be as far as environment, because when they go to work, it's never going to be this good, and they respect that, and I think that sets us apart.